ATOMSTACK A10 PRO, S10 PRO, X7 Pro laser engraving machine with R3 rotary roller 10W true diode laser, CNC DIY laser cutter, LCD touchscreen control, high precision, all in one creative power. Unleash the next level of precision and versatility with the ATOMSTACK A10 PRO, S10 PRO, X7 Pro, a powerful 10W CNC DIY laser engraving and cutting machine, built for creators, entrepreneurs, and small workshop professionals. With advanced dual-diode laser technology, an intuitive LCD control terminal, and the included R3 rotary roller, this system is designed to handle everything from flat surfaces to cylindrical objects, making it the ultimate all-in-one engraving setup. Fire True 10W dual-diode laser power. Equipped with 10W true optical output, combining two high-power laser diodes for increased cutting strength. Easily cuts through 10 to 12 mm wood, 8 to 10 mm acrylic, leather, paper, rubber, and more. High energy focus allows for clean edges and precise detail, even on intricate patterns. Brick all-metal structure with industrial stability. The frame is constructed from aerospace-grade aluminum, ensuring rigidity, durability, and minimal vibration during operation. Pre-assembled parts make setup quick and easy, even for beginners. Desktop computer smart LCD control terminal, offline work ready. Includes an independent touchscreen controller, no need for a constant computer connection. Upload projects via TF card or USB and operate directly from the screen. Great for mobile workshops or professional makers on the go. Anti-clockwise arrows R3 rotary roller included, perfect for cylindrical engraving. The R3 roller attachment allows for 360 degrees rotary engraving on cups, bottles, tumblers, and round objects. Fully adjustable to fit different diameters and materials. Running dash built-in air assist system compatibility. Optional air assist system enhances cutting depth, speed, and quality. Reduces burn marks and ensures cleaner finishes on wood and acrylic. Rocket engraving speed and precision. Up to 11,000 mm per minute engraving speed. Ultra-fine 0.06 mm laser focus spot. Capable of photo-level grayscale engraving on wood and metal. Rainbow-wide compatibility with materials and software. Engraves and cuts over 1,000 materials, including wood, bamboo, leather, glass, rubber, ceramics, fabric, acrylic, cardboard, anodized aluminum, and painted metal. Compatible with Lightburn, Laser GRBL, and other G-code-based platforms. Accepts file formats, NC, BMP, JPG, PNG, DXF, SVG, etc. Shield Smart Safety Features. Emergency Stop Button. Protective laser shield over the module to reduce harmful light exposure. Thermal protection and motion detection sensors. Laser lock feature to prevent unauthorized use. Straight ruler specification summary. Feature description. Laser output 10W true optical power. Engraving speed up to 11,000 mm per minute. Focus spot size 0.06 by 0.06 mm. Working area approximately 410 by 400 mm. Rotary support included, R3 roller, control terminal LCD touchscreen, offline ready, supported software laser GRBL, Lightburn. Connectivity USB, TF card, offline bullseye ideal for personalized gifts and custom products. Small business branding and merchandise. Engraving bottles, mugs, and tumblers. Leatherworking, woodworking, and acrylic signage. DIYers, makers, and artists. Briefcase. What's in the box? ATOMSTACK A10 PRO, S10 PRO, X7 Pro laser machine. R3 rotary roller. LCD touchscreen terminal. Power supply and USB cable. Safety goggles. User manual and toolkit. Rocket White Shoes ATOMSTACK A10 Pro series. Checkmark 10W reel cutting power with high precision. Checkmark includes rotary engraving capabilities out of the box. Checkmark offline touchscreen control, no computer required. Checkmark strong community support, reliable software compatibility. Checkmark expandable with air assist and enclosures.